Here is the Smokercraft 172 fishing boat. Standard comes with a Shorelander trailer with swing tongue. This boat has the optional red design on the side. We're showing it with a 90 Mercury 4-stroke. Again, this boat has the built-in gas tank, flip-down bench seat that creates a nice casting deck, vinyl floor so you don't get any of the dirt and grime inside your boat, storage on the passenger side, beautiful custom seats with lumbar, giant live well, more storage, your third seat pedestal seat, storage at the front with your hookups. We have the Minn Kota bow mount on here. On your helm you have gauges with speed, your tachometer, your fuel gauge, and depending on which motor you choose, you'll have the information gauge. We also have the Humminbird 728 on here, full of options. Power trim and tilt. Smokercraft 172 fishing boat.